Okay. This is our February 1st of the year CCW University 2-day event. And we have Carpet Mean Green, Carpet Clean Daniel King, and we have our representative Ryan from AGB. And Daniel, you just signed up with AGB, is that correct?
Yes, I did.
And you're here talking with Ryan to make sure that you double your revenue in 2023 using AGB. Is that correct?
That's the plan.
All right. And Ryan, do you want to say something to the people watching this video about AGB?
Absolutely. Thanks for coming in. We've had a great end to 2022, and we're looking for an even bigger 2023 with a lot of different options with Google and with Facebook. John Williams out of London, UK, has a lot presented here today at the event, and we look forward to taking care of you guys next year.
Thank you very much, gentlemen. Enjoy the 2-day event.
Thank you.
AGB, everyone.